So we've got to. Bottom's base is all stuck down now, and just starting to get the mechanical fixings on it as well. Just got to the front door. Arch is going to be a pain. So we'll do that. At another point, we'll try and get this all coated up in the next week or so. That today. Okay, we're going to now drill some holes into the polystyrene. That is going to allow these anchor points to go on. So 10mm bit on the end of your drill. I tend to go in 4 corners and in the middle. I don't get too close to the corners though, because that's where your adhesive is. And if I'm drilling into it, I'll probably damage it and break it. So I come inside where I be. So I want to go here on the corner, somewhere around about there. Yeah? Here we go. So now, what we do is we get one of these routers, which you can get where you buy the polystyrene from. Okay, it's this bit here on the end, this red piece. Go into the holes, like so, and give it a bit of a whiz. Lovely. And again. And again. Lovely. 2 more. As you can see, it makes a mess. So, now what we do is we get these pegs, one more, just like this. You see okay? They literally just push into the holes you just drilled. So let's watch that. 1.
It's really tight now.
Yeah, that one feels tight. Might take that one out again. Oh, these were quite tight actually. We'll give it a bit of a knock. That's how they should go, like that, straight in. Like that. Bless you. If you keep looking at the 2 on the end. Hammer. Right. Get your trusty hammer. Okay. You then take these black plastic spikes. Plastic ones are the best ones to go for. If you have metal ones, metal also carries the cold into your house. Just plonk it in. It pushes in. Hopefully, about halfway. Like that. Got it. Just come a little bit further out. That's it, stay there. Again, in like that. Okay. Try to take out half a polystyrene like myself. That's not a problem though, that'll easily be covered. And that's those 2 done. Okay. Let's do some more. Okay, tell us what you're doing.
So this is for the polystyrene to keep the insulation in the house.
Yep.
And we have to drill holes inside here, as you can see.
Yeah.
And so we can. These things are the insulation.
Yeah.
And there's cement sticking it there. But if the cement accidentally loosens, the polystyrene will fall off. And we can't have that happening. So we're going to make extra sort of like extra glue sort of thing to keep it
on the wall. Yeah,
yeah.
that's good.
This one ain't going in. Well,
Don't worry. Right, leave that one if it's not going. I'll get it in the big one. Try one of the other ones then. Yay! Nicely done.
That one was an easy one.
That was an easy one, yeah.
And we're gonna put some cement on these white panels, and that's gonna stick on more polystyrene. What's it called?
Oh, why'd we stick the bit over the front?
Is it because if it falls off, that's less insulation?
No, if you leave it off, excuse me, if you leave it off, the cold air can get through this bit of the insulation. So you put the white bit on to make sure the cold air can't get through here. Yeah?
We should have really got black.
For some reason, they only come in white, but it doesn't matter because it's all going to get covered, so you won't even see them. They'll all disappear. Nicely done.
This one won't go in.
Yeah, some won't. Oh, they need a bit of a bigger hit. I'll do that. No. Good job. Well done. Give us a thumbs up.
Our cement gun is broken.
I've got my trusty helper with me today. Sorry, talking to the camera. Got my trusty helper here to help me today. That's it. He's on his good side. So we're going to get through and try and get these ones all drilled, done and dusted. Another day, guys. So we had to stop yesterday because my drill bit died, which is a bit frustrating. Got out and bought another one, not so long this time, but we'll get cracking on it. The other downside is that the gun that I use, for the foam gun that is, for filling all the gaps, has also died. I think it was too hot for it yesterday. I think the canister was too hot. So new ones on order should be here tomorrow, so we can't do much more other than drilling at the minute. So we're going to get these in the anchors, try and get that finished off today if we can. Okay. Don't forget, guys, subscribe, give us a like as well, ask any comments and questions, and I'll try to do my best to answer them. Hey guys, so back to putting in the fixings now. So for those who don't remember, you have, sorry if I'm too close to the camera, but these which go into the wall like a huge raw plug, and then these pins which then go into the raw plug, something like that, and push out the end. That's what it looks like. Okay, just did a few of these. Key is make sure that's in all the way. If it's not, you can have problems. onto the corner of the house now, guys. Same drill, literally same drill. Gets a little bit laborious, but let's see it all in its glory. On the corners, you need to make sure that you're not drilling into the one on the corner because they're staggered. So you need to come across a little bit more on these ones. So something about that.